and today we are making a old family favorite zucchini bread, but we're giving it a little bit of a Tina twist, and today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate zucchini bread. So we're going to get right into it, okay? First, we have our fresh zucchini that I got from a farmer's market stand out of the garden, and I forgot my knife. I got from a farmer's stand. I was very excited. So this is fresh. And all you do is you wash this off, right? And you cut the end off. You don't have to peel it or anything, but you do need to grate it. So we're going to get out our handy dandy hand grater and go to it. By the way, you guys, what we're making today, it kind of classifies in all kinds of different directions. You can use this as a dessert. You can use it for something to have with your coffee or your tea. You can also do this for breakfast, like a make ahead, you know, when you're doing your meal prep. This is a good one to do and then have portioned out. Put it in little baggies or whatever and have it portioned out, and all you have to do is grab it out of the refrigerator with your coffee and off you go. One of the things that I love about this is that the kids have always loved this. Always have loved this. And you're boosting your antioxidants because you have cinnamon in this and cocoa. So your antioxidant level is boosted. Also, it's low fat because you do not have very much oil and butter in it. And we're doing a lower glycemic sugar alternative. And, of course, your veg, right? So you're getting your veg in with that in a way that your kids might, you know, they might not normally say, "Oh yeah, Mom, can I please have some zucchini?" I'm not sure the last time I remember my kids saying, "Mom, can I please have some zucchini?" Well, with this one, they just might do that. One of the other things that I love about this, you guys, is you don't even need to get your big mixer out or anything like that. You're going to just get a large bowl, and it's all going to be whisked in that one bowl. So first we have our all-purpose flour. Then is going to go our coconut sugar, our cocoa, baking powder, soda, salt, and cinnamon, and we're going to whisk that together. Now that we have our little well made in our dry ingredients, it doesn't have to be perfect, guys, okay? Don't worry about that. As long as you got a little divot in there, it'll work, okay? Then we take our egg, and we need to put a well-beaten egg into our dry ingredients. Micah, you see I'm using your cups for my video. Into the dry ingredients, our beaten egg, and our melted, and guys, this is half vegetable oil and half butter. And guys, remember that full recipe will be in the description box below. Into our little well goes the 1.5 cups of freshly grated zucchini. Woo! Zucchini. All right, now we're just going to stir that together. Then we add our 1/2 cup of buttermilk. So it's going to look a lot like brownie batter at this point in time. Okay? Now, we need to spray our pan. And just spread that out in the pan, just like that. And then that's gonna go into a 350-degree oven, but in this case, you see that I'm using a glass pan, so it's gonna go into 325. If you're using a regular metal pan, put it in 350. And that's gonna go for about 50 minutes to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Okay, you guys, our chocolate zucchini bread was in the oven for 1 full hour exactly. It came out and it cooled for 10 minutes in the pan, and then just slip the sides with your straight edge, right? And it turned over on a cooling rack, just like that, for probably about a good 45 minutes to an hour. All right, and then look how beautifully this is slicing up. And remember, you guys, that this is low fat, and it has all those rich antioxidants from the chocolate and the cinnamon and the veg from the zucchini. So you've got dessert and vegetable all in one go. Oh my goodness, you guys, we haven't taste tested this yet. We gotta give it a try. Ooh, that's so good. Yum, 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 yum. Wow. I haven't made this in a while, you guys, but I might be making it more often now, especially if you've got zucchini hanging around the house from your garden, or from your neighbor's garden, or from your mom's garden, or from the farmer's market, or just right off the grocery store shelf. Oh, guys, give this a try and let me know how it works for you. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can see all the other wonderful videos and healthful tips that we're putting up for you each and every week. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.